Alright, it's another day here at P Street Garage, and I'm back out on my 2006 Beetle. Again, this is the $500 Beetle that I got last January. I've been picking away at this car, doing odds and ends. Some repairs are successful, some aren't. What I want to try to do today is I want to try to address these windshield wipers. And the issue that I have with this car is that my wipers literally will not turn off. In other words, if the car is running and my washer stalk is in the off position, my wipers, run continuously. And the only way for me to stop the wipers is to literally reach in here and pull out the fuse right there. And that's what I've been doing, and it's getting kind of annoying. So in a previous video, I was working on something else in the car. I was trying to eliminate my airbag light, and I had the steering wheel apart, the clock spring, and I decided to dig into this to clean it up. And I took this mechanism apart, cleaned it, put it back in, and it made no difference. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off to the salvage yard and see if I can pilfer some parts. Apparently, the issue could be with this arm. According to multiple forums, it could be the arm, or it could be some of the relays that live underneath the dash. So let's go to the salvage yard and see if we can pilfer any parts to try to improve this. I'm at Kenny U-Pull again. And this time I'm looking for the actuator arm for my wipers on my 2006 Beetle. Now there's no Beetles here, but there's a lot of Golfs. A lot of Golfs and Jettas, so I'm gonna see if I can find something that's a match. Yeah, I see a row of them up here. I'm gonna try to find one where maybe the steering wheel's already off and I can just pop off that stalk. So this one here is not a match. This old Jetta wagon, this would work, except the arm's been sheared off. That's the piece I need, exactly. All right, I think we're gonna find one. Okay, this is a Golf, and but this here looks like a match. Let's pop this out. All right, I've got this all loosened up. Don't have to be as careful here at the salvage yard. I'm just gonna pop this down, and this just has to be unclipped, and hopefully it's gonna work. Okay, I just popped this little detent with a flat tip screwdriver. Now, from my memory, hopefully this looks very, very familiar. So I'm hoping that this will be interchangeable from a Jetta to my Beetle. All right, let's take this home. Now, according to a lot of the forums, sometimes when your wipers won't turn off, it's not so much this, but it could also be controlled by relays. And apparently there's relays that live under here. So I'm gonna pop down this lower cover and see what I can find for relays, and I might pilfer a few of them. All right, well, it looks like someone's already got that big relay. Let's check a couple of other cars. All right, well, I'm still looking. I might try to pilfer a clock spring, but my gosh, look at this. I can't believe this is here, an old MG. Gee, the fender looks straight, the door looks straight. Okay, well, not this fender, but the door's okay. Why is this sitting here? I'm sure somebody somewhere could use this. Okay, here's a Golf. and it's got the exact same turn stock, or not turn stock, sorry, wiper arm, and this car looks a bit more intact. So let's pop this one, let's pop all these covers and have a look at this one. So this is a relay 377. Apparently this controls the wipers, so I'm gonna grab this too, in case ours failed. You never know. Hi. Okay, back from the salvage yard with my parts. And I got this relay, which is a very common for VW. I'm not sure if it's generic or for, I'm not sure if it'll work on the Beetle is what I'm saying, but I got a slew of other relays, and the wipers that run continuously is either a relay issue or it's in the arm here. All right, let's try that. Phillips, 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 and Phillips. Okay, so with that cowl off, there's a couple of little clips here. This will just slide out. I'll tell you. And I gotta unclip the bottom too. There we go. She's free. It's free. So I'll put this aside. And then here's my turn stock. Now for this one, I just need to put a flat tip screwdriver in here. Pull this off. Okay, I just did this little spring-loaded clip. Then this is going to come out. Undo the connections. And this should be a straight replacement. Let's plug this one in, see if it makes a difference. Okay, here's the new stock. That's the one that was marked from the salvage yard. And although this, if anybody looks at this, you'll think it looks exactly like this one did. And it does. And this one looks good, feels good. But this is the one in the previous video. I opened it up, I cleaned it, and when I put it back in, there was no improvement. But not only was there no improvement, when I put this back in, the squirter was on 24/7, and the pulse button wasn't responding. So I don't know if I mean, I didn't scrub it very hard in here, the contacts, but I wonder if maybe this one is maybe worn out. So I thought, since I got to get back in here anyway, I thought I would try one that's undisturbed. And although most likely the issue will be in the relays, I thought I would change this as well. There, that's back in place, just like that. 2 plug-ins. I could probably even try this right now. I think I could without putting any of this back together. I think it's worth a shot. Okay, I got the key turned on. I got the fuse in. And we're not out of the woods just yet. However, this is better, because after I cleaned my original switch, the wipers were going flat out, and so was the squirter. So something was either worn or defective in here. So this was good. So basically right now, my pulse works. Now the wipers will still come on. This is the off position. But at least I have intermittent, and this is working. I have regular speed and fast. So this is a good arm. This arm was somewhat faulty. So I think we're on the right track. I'm going to put this back together, and I'm going to go underneath. Let's have a look at some of these relays. Okay, so I got the lower dash pulled down a little bit I'm trying to make it so I don't have to take everything apart. And right in here, I can see them in there. I can barely get my hand in there. But all those boxes back there, those are all the relays. And there's one relay in particular that controls the wipers, and it's that 377. So I don't think I can quite get my hand in there, but there is a plastic cover underneath. I'm going to try to pop this off. I've got this loose in here because some of the screws are on the lip here. So let's try to drop that down. See if I can get my hand in there. Okay, well, there was just 3 screws at the front. I pulled out this little plastic cover. And now I just reached in here. You see where my hand is in there? Maybe you can see it. There's my hand right there. I just pulled out this 377. And this is the one that I got at the salvage yard. And it plugs in like this upside down. And according to the internet, this is for the wipers. So maybe there's something wrong in here. Okay, let's try a replacement one. Okay, I think you can maybe see that relay 377. The replacement one from the salvage yard I just plugged in. Now let's try our wipers. All right guys, let's start the car up. Okay, that's vibrating like crazy because everything's loose, but okay. The wipers are not coming on. Yeah, I'm out of juice, but I can hear the pump. Perfect. Off. Intermittent, which is the fast setting, and then the slow setting. The very slow setting, but that should come on here any second. There it is. And then we should have regular speed and hyper fast. Okay, and then off. Oh, perfect. Okay, we got one thing fixed. Alright guys, that's all for now. I'm going to put this all back together, and this is the part. It's the big relay underneath the dash. Relay 377. I got a couple of them today at the salvage yard. Salvage yard, these are $5, and that's what had gone wrong with mine. So I replaced the stock anyway, because once I cleaned it, it was acting up. So there, we're back in business. And the issue was with this. I don't know if you can hear that. Sounds like there's something loose in there. Anyway, all done. Everything's vibrating like crazy. I'm going to put this all back together now, guys. Thanks for watching. Got our wipers fixed. We'll catch you in the next video.